Hi, this is John Answer. This is Tritec's distributor gear, made out of a proprietary ultralight polymer. This gear will last 4 times as long as a typical brass gear, and it can be run against any cam material or any cam type. It has much less wear through the teeth on the gear, and as a normal brass gear wears, you would get spark scatter throughout the end of the life of the gear, and with this gear that won't happen. So if you're tired of changing your distributor gear after every couple of races, you might want to give this one a try from Tritec.